Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel again. Today we're going to do another Banksia Nut or Banksia Pod project, and it's just going to be a fairly simple small bud vase. So I'll just change camera and we'll get on and do it. So here it is, just a small Banksia Nut, Banksia Pod, whatever you want to call them. I've already got it in the chuck, and here we go. Now I'm keeping it between centres just for the moment till I get a bit of shape into it. It's just touching there. I'm going to do the usual shape that I do for bud vases. Starting to get the neck shaped. I'm using my 1/2 inch spindle gouge at the moment. So I'll leave a bit of waste down at the bottom here so I can get it parted off. Let's change the angle of the tool rest. There we go. Now I'm only going to use a small drill on this so I can get this neck fairly thin. Whenever I'm doing anything like this, I tend to look over the top here to see what the shape's looking like. Before I go too thin, I want to get the top shaped properly and get rid of the tailstock. Let's have a look at that. I'll take the tailstock back. I'll just get rid of the elbow stabber. Change position of the tool rest just so I can finish off shaping the top. Make sure nothing's touching. I'm just going to take fairly light cuts on this. I'm not going to bother changing the camera because I'm not going to be working on this top very much. Just have a check and see what the shape's looking like. I want to go a little bit thinner on this. have another look. Yeah, I'll get this bit thinned down once I start doing the neck again. I'm just going to drill a hole down through this now. I'll just slot my Jacob's chuck into the tailstock. Bring it up. Now I'm turning it around about 1200 at the moment, but this is quite a small drill. And what I'll do, I'll push it in a wee bit, bring it back out to clean out the drill, and again, I'm not winding this in, I'm just pushing the tailstock in. There we are, I think that's far enough for that. Back to the spindle gouge, working on the neck. Just coming in from both sides of this. Just have a check at the shape. I'm quite happy with that. So I'll just refine the body a little bit now. So I want to go a little bit thinner at the bottom there. Let's have another quick check. Yeah, it's looking good. I'm just going to get a different spindle gouge just so I can get in and take that thinner. Make sure nothing's touching. And there we are. Get this sanded up now. That was 120. This is 220. Just got some little bits of stuff in the holes here, just get them cleaned out. And I think I'll just finish this one with some lemon oil. Now these are very, very dry, so we'll probably soak up a fair bit of oil. I'll just put one coating on purely for the purposes of the video, and it'll probably get more added over the next few days. Give that a wipe over. And get it parted off. And there it is, one small Banksia Nut bud vase, just with a small hole drilled in the top to take any dried grasses, things like this. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.